Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play B.B. King on guitar. To begin, immerse yourself in the minor pentatonic and blues scales, which form the bedrock of his iconic sound. Pay close attention to his distinctive vibrato, often called the butterfly vibrato, and his precise string bending. Remember, B.B. King's genius lies in his ability to convey deep emotion with just a few well-placed notes. Embrace the power of silence and thoughtful phrasing to truly capture his essence. Let's dive into the scales. Start by mastering the 5 positions of the minor pentatonic scale across your guitar's fretboard. Once comfortable, introduce the blue note, which is the flatted 5th, into each position to form the complete blues scale. Practice these scales diligently in several keys, such as C, G, and A, ensuring your transitions between notes are fluid and precise. This foundational work is crucial for developing your blues vocabulary. Now, let's talk about his iconic expression. B.B. King's butterfly vibrato is a wide, even oscillation, achieved by rocking your finger back and forth. Practice this until it feels natural and consistent. Combine this with precise string bends, typically a whole step or a half step, ensuring they land perfectly in tune. Use 3 fingers for maximum strength and control. These techniques are vital for conveying the deep emotion characteristic of his playing. Finally, let's focus on phrasing and storytelling. B.B. King was a master of call and response, where his guitar would beautifully answer his vocal lines. Practice this by singing a phrase and then playing its response. Crucially, embrace silence. Not every beat needs a note. Listen to blues vocalists to internalize their melodic phrasing. By combining these elements, you'll begin to tell your own compelling stories through your guitar, just like the king of the blues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.